Hello everyone, welcome to my YouTube channel, and for today's video, I just want to share you guys my three collection of Misseskisses. Okay, so this is the deep plunge bra, okay, and this one is the moderate plunge bra, okay, and next is the shallow plunge bra. Okay, so what is the use of these three? Okay, let me tell you guys. So if you love to wear a deep v-neck, okay, so this is for you. So you can open your top until here, just in my navel. Okay, so you can open until here. Wow, that's so cool. Okay, so the moderate plunge bra is you can open until here. So the difference is like this, guys. Okay, so the difference of the two is like this, and this one is the shallow plunge bra, which is you can wear to your crop top, So this one is not for the open here. So this one is just here. So if you love to wear crop top, this is perfect for you. Okay, so yeah, so I have the three and I'm so happy, guys. These three are strapless, backless, and frontless push-up bra ever, guys. Price of this bra kit, guys, each is $127, okay, US dollars. So if you want to have these two, the moderate and shallow bra, it costs $187, so you save a lot, guys. Okay, so but if you want to have only one, so this costs $127. So okay, so you can adjust this, guys. So if you are your size is A to J cup, so it's possible, guys. So you just have to adjust the wire and the pads. Okay, so you can adjust if you are A, it's just like this. If you are B, like this, C, D, E, F, G, E, G. Okay, still you are comfortable. And not only the pads, also this wire, you can adjust this one. So you have to try it, guys. You have to try it if it's okay or not. So it's too tight or too, you know what I mean. So if it's too tight, you can adjust like this. Okay, so you can just like this. And if it's not that tight, and if you want to make it more tight, you can do like this. So it's very easy to adjust, guys. You just have to understand how it's work, and after it will be good, guys, and you don't have to adjust it all the time. Okay, so yeah, you can adjust these three same ways. Okay, so what I show you, you have to adjust and okay, so it's very easy. Okay, so the pads, when the Misseskisses arrive, so it's always come with the pads, which is this one. So this is the standard pads. Okay, so this is the no, not this one. I'm sorry. So this is the standard pads, the beige color. So you can also choose the black. Okay, so up to you what you prepare. Okay, and you can also order another pads, which is this one, volumizing pads. Sometimes I need this one because my top is too, like this, so I need smaller pads, so I need this one. So look at the difference, guys. Okay, so this one is more smaller. So I think this one is AB, like that. So yeah, so that's it, guys. It's very good. It's very good experience. So if you order this one, it will change your life. But if you're not happy, guys, you can send it back to them and they will give you your money. So I think it's fair. And the most important for Mrs. Kisses is the satisfaction and contentment of the buyers. So I think they did a great job. It's a great team as well. So yeah, I highly recommend this. So yeah, so this is the logo of Misseskisses. So yeah, thank you guys for watching. Hope you will enjoy your plunge bra.